In a sunlit kitchen, a tiny tester noses a crisp apple, and every crackle fills the room with wonder. A spoonful of yogurt arrives, and the little gourmet savors creamy squeaks, while giggles rise behind the camera. Next comes mashed banana, a playful swirl with tiny pops as eager lips meet fruit joyfully. The studio celebrates textures and sounds, cheers at every squeak and burp as tiny triumphs unfold. Wipes of joyful mess fade to calm as the promise of more adorable bites lands in the next episode.